In this video, I'll walk you through setting up your Proof account so you can start leveraging this powerful software for your website in just a few minutes. When you first log into Proof, you'll be asked to connect your website. Simply enter your website URL, and Proof will automatically analyze your site's structure. It's a super simple process that gets you set up quickly. You'll then be prompted to install a small snippet of code to your site, either by using Google Tag Manager or directly pasting the code in your site's header. If you're not sure how to do this, Proof provides easy-to-follow instructions, or you can reach out to their support team for assistance. Once connected, you can start adding Proof widgets, which are essentially the interactive elements that will boost engagement on your site. Whether you're adding social proof like live visitor count or displaying recent customer purchases, the goal is to build trust with your audience and drive conversions. Now, let's look at the dashboard. Proof's interface is clean and easy to navigate. You'll find everything you need to optimize your site's engagement in one place. From here, you can manage your widgets, view visitor behavior, and track conversions. Don't worry about getting overwhelmed with data. Proof keeps things simple, showing you the most relevant metrics for your business. Next, you can customize your widgets. Proof lets you choose from different templates to match your site's design, and you can fine-tune the text, colors, and appearance to align with your brand. Social proof is one of the most effective ways to convert visitors into customers, so think about which elements will make your audience feel more confident in what you're offering. Don't forget to test different variations of your widgets. A/B testing is built into Proof, so you can easily see which type of social proof performs best with your audience. You can compare things like visitor count pop-ups, purchase alerts, or recent review displays to see which boosts engagement the most. Proof also integrates with popular tools like MailChimp, Zapier, and Google Analytics, so you can streamline your workflow and combine data from all your favorite marketing platforms. Now, before I wrap up, let me remind you that you can use Proof completely free through the first link in the description below, and if you sign up through that link, you'll also get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, which is a great way to test out all of Proof's features without committing. So, if you're looking to increase conversions and improve your site's trust factor, this is a great tool to add to your digital marketing arsenal. With Proof, setting up your account is a breeze, and once you've done it, you'll be able to see the results right away. If you want to take your digital marketing to the next level, don't miss out on this extended free trial. Check the link below to get started with Proof today.